All right, so while it's melting, I'll give you a quick idea what I'm doing. So first off, hi, I'm Jeremy, industrial designer by training, public servant by day, and a passionate maker by night. And today I'll be making a waterproof jacket. So I've got this 100% cotton canvas jacket that I purchased from Costco. It's fairly inexpensive, just a work jacket, but I want to basically make it waterproof. So I came across this channel called NightHawkInLight, and this fellow named Ben came up with a really great recipe, essentially, of paraffin wax and mineral oil. So if you want to get more in depth of the what's, how's, and why's, check out his channel. It's worth it. He does a bunch of testing and experiments, and he shows how it works and how it reacts. So yeah, so essentially in the video, he was wearing a jacket that he used this recipe to basically waterproof. So anyway, I'm going to try that today and see what kind of results we get, and hopefully this will look like a super high-end, really expensive wax canvas jacket that all the movie stars are wearing. All right, stick around, you'll see how I get to use this, and if it'll actually work. I have no idea. I don't know what I'm doing. This is all an experiment. Oh, it's getting there, it's getting there. It's melting. Very slowly, it's melting. Oh, seem to have gotten some wax on my jacket. Ah, just kidding. One more hit with the heat gun just to even everything out, and then we're going to give this a water test. All right, so that's about it. I'm happy with the way this turned out. Time will tell to see if it'll hold up, but shower test proved to be successful. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. I seem to have gotten some, oh, seem to have gotten some wax on my jacket. God, Seem to have gotten some wax on my jacket. I can't even make this stupid joke. I'll try it one more time. Seem to have gotten some wax on my jacket. Oh, that's really dumb.